Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Astronomy 100 here in IVC. My name is Bouzidi Jumoui. I like to be called DJ because people basically don't know how to say my name correctly. So I think a short version of it, DJ, would be fine. Again, my background is actually I have a PhD in physics from the University of California, San Diego, not too far from the campus. I taught physics and astronomy and physical science, and including some of the other classes that are not physics, like mathematics also, and engineering classes for a lot of campuses. This is the first time for me here in IVC. It's my pleasure actually to join the college, and I look forward to basically many years of working together. I have you guys here for astronomy. This class is an online class, and we're going to talk about this live sessions and what they mean and how we're going to handle them and things like that. So it's a very important question that we need to answer, and the structure of the class and everything else that needs to be addressed. In this class, we will learn a lot of topics in terms of astronomy. We're going to talk about we're going to take baby steps, basically trying to go through the process. One of the things that we really first need to introduce is how do we know what we know? Because we have these nice pictures, we have this nice stuff that we look at in the textbook and everywhere else, but how the universe looks like, and we really have to know how we arrive to these things. I mean, things that we can see with the eye and follow day in, day out, we can understand. Probably, for example, if somebody goes tonight and look at Jupiter, and see where Jupiter is, it's going to be what, south, east, basically skies. That's when it's going to rise. Everybody rises around that direction anyway. And it's going to set in the west direction, more or less, okay? So that's how objects actually in the sky look like. Somebody is interested into Jupiter and monitors it, let's say, for example, every night at 11 p.m. You know where Jupiter is in the sky? Tonight, come tomorrow night, and you look at it and you find that it changed location, same time, same night. Meanwhile, you look at the star, for example, I don't know, Antares, for example, and you look at it at 11 p.m. tonight, and you look at it tomorrow night, and you will see that it's hardly budged from its location. It moves, though, because of the fact we know that the Earth goes around the sun. The stars actually moves, and they change. As a matter of fact, the group of stars, as we look at them, called constellations, they change from location to location year round. That is basically how we came to describe them. So we have two objects in the sky that we can look at. We have the regular stars, those that hardly move, and we have the things that move on a regular basis, day in, day out, week in, week out, and those are wandering stars. Okay, they are actually, that's their name, what the planet means. So we have planets and stars that we look at. That's what we can look at with the naked eye. And that's what people in the ancient time did too. So there is no reason not to believe actually that these things are moving around the Earth. The Earth is actually the center of everything. We are it. Okay? And these objects in this big dome above us is actually the stars that move day in, day out. It took a genius of Copernicus to argue that actually we are moving in the Earth, okay? The Earth is the one that is spinning day in, day out, and that is why the sky changes day in, day out, number one. Furthermore, the Earth goes around the sun, and that is why the constellations and the stars change from season to season, from day to day. I mean, it takes somebody of this kind of magnitude to really realize that. For me, if I go outside and lay on the grass and look at the sky, it looks like everything is moving. So around us, and I am sitting in here, I'm not moving. So these are some of the things, some of the ideas that we're going to explore in here. Obviously, we're going to go way beyond that. We're going to look at two things that we cannot even imagine we have the tools for, okay, on a day in, day out basis. Things like huge structures, like a galaxy. Galaxy from end to end, our own galaxy is about 100,000 light years. In other words, let's say, for example, star is on this side of the galaxy, and the light emerges from it because it's a star, emits light. And we are on the other side of the galaxy. It takes 100,000 light years before it reaches the other side of the galaxy. That's a lot. That's when probably the first humans were walking on the planet. 100,000 years ago. That's a long, long time. So this star could have had all kinds of other things happening to it. 100,000. Imagine what has happened on Earth 100,000 years ago. There were so many ice ages, so many things happening. Entire species of hominids went extinct, and those are the what's the word in here? And a new species emerged, ours. Okay, so all kinds of things happened. Modern humans basically emerged. So this is not on a scale of 100 years. 100 years ago, we did not have cell phones, we did not have computers, we did not have even light that we know it with this much abundance in it, technology and things like that. Imagine 100 years ago only. 200 years ago, we did not have any of this kind of technology. 300 years ago, we were still basically using horses. We don't have any kind of 300, 500 years ago, 1,000 years ago, we did not have nothing. I mean, the basic hunting and basic agriculture was on the planet. 2,000 years ago, we were barely basically a species that is spread around probably somewhere in the continents here and there, including North America and South America and other continents. So that's basically to tell you the magnitude of this size of this galaxy. It's a huge structure. And it has hundreds of billions of stars, just like our own. And our own star has a bunch of stars next to it. If you look tonight and you count the number of stars that you can see with your naked eye, probably at best about 2,000. But there are hundreds of billions more than that. It's a huge number. And that is our own galaxy. And this is not the biggest structure in the universe. As a matter of fact, the local group of our galaxies, where our galaxy is one of them, the Milky Way galaxy, and then we have another galaxy next door, which is about 2.5 million years. So if I said 100,000 years was a lot, 2.5 million is even bigger. And that is Andromeda galaxy. We're in a collision course with it. Our two galaxies are actually merging together at some point. They're collecting. As a matter of fact, new studies indicate that the collision already started between the two galaxies. Their outer reaches are already touching, okay? Which means that a galaxy can extend to about 1.5 million years in extent, not just 100,000 years. It's a big structure. This is our local group. In addition to these two big galaxies, there is actually a third big galaxy called Triangulum, which is also in the same local group, with a bunch of other smaller galaxies, satellite galaxies, and other random galaxies in here, and small in size. But those are the three major players in this local group. And that's not the big thing. That's not the big structure. As a matter of fact, there is a cluster of galaxies, of local groups, if you wish, and that is where we belong to. So it's a huge structure, okay, which is called the Virgo cluster. And then on top of that, that's not the whole universe. The whole universe is much, much bigger than that. And that is the observable universe versus the actual universe. So all kinds of fascinating things. How do we know all of these things? You have the right, and you should ask all the time this question. You should not take things for granted just because somebody said so. Just because the book wrote it, so it must know. No, that's not good enough for you, and for me either. We have to know how we arrive at these things. And the journey to the discovery, for me and for scientists in general, is far more important than the actual discovery, because it will enable you to question these things and to learn more and see maybe some things were missed. Maybe this thing is not exactly how it's supposed to be. Maybe there is something else to it. Every day there are publications here and there in science, especially astronomy, that tells us about new things that we didn't know before. And those are the tools we're going to try to learn first, trying to understand how do we know these things. And we build out those tools at least to have those common grounds, and then go. We're going to use all kinds of topics. We're going to use physics. We're going to use chemistry. We're going to use geology. We're going to use, at some point, even biology, because we want to understand life in extraterrestrial, basically, structures. How is it possible what they're talking about, that there may be life? Maybe Mars is not. How about the moons of Jupiter? Europa, does it really have life inside of the oceans? This is one of the big fascinating questions that we want to answer. Does life have to be in this carbon form that we're used to, at least on Earth? Can it be in a different form? Can it consume different chemicals other than the oxygen and the other things? So those are the questions that we answer at some point later on. A lot of fascinating things. We're going to be talking about so many things. I hope by the end of the class, you really enjoy it first. And then you go and grab yourself a telescope if you really don't have it yet. And enjoy the night sky. If you can buy a telescope, binoculars will do. You can get them for $50 or less from Amazon. Or if you don't even want to spend that much, you can look at the sky by yourself and basically recognize objects and try to enjoy the night sky, which is beautiful in at least where the campus is, okay? So this is in a nutshell what the class is. I know there are other issues that we have to overcome, like the technical issues. One of them is these live sessions. I know I sent a message trying to answer some of the questions that some of you have raised, but I want to clarify that so that we have a full understanding of what we mean by live sessions. After all, the syllabus says, and actually the catalog says, that this is an online class. So what does it mean for a live session? And you're saying that we're not required. Yes, you're not required to attend the live session. If you have other engagements, if you have work, if you have other things, you may choose not to attend the live session. That's fine. But understand that there are assignments coming from them. The fact that you cannot attend the live session should not really prevent you from watching the recorded sessions. After all, you signed up for this class. As important as all the things are for you, which they are, this class also is signed up for it, and after all, it's really your money at the end. So you really need to have it spent right. In other words, you really have to do the things that are supposed to be done in this class. So here is how the process works. You can attend the live class, and this is really the recommended. That way you get the thing out of the way and you're done with it. And you go and enter the prompts and you're done with it, and that's it. Your week is well set, okay? If for some reason work or other related matters, family or a trip or something else, or you came late from work last night and you cannot really wake up and be focused, so you'd rather watch the recording, that is fine too. But the key thing in here, you have to watch the recording. If you cannot watch the recording, that will have a serious problem then, okay? Because there would be prompts in each live session, and they could be 1, they could be 2, they could be 3. I try to keep them under 3 as much as possible, potentially more, okay? What time are they going to be? Are they going to be in the middle, in the end, or right in the beginning, the middle, or the end? I don't know. And I don't know how many either. So if you're watching, for example, and you say, oh, prompt 1, I got it, and recorded it. Okay, did he say we have 1 or 2? If he said we have 2, then prompt 2 came in and we're done. No, I don't know. There could be 3. There could be actually more, okay? So in other words, you really have to watch the entire thing. There could be only 1 prompt at the end of the day, and that's it, okay? So at the end, that's the one that I'm going to go and answer. They're not challenging questions. As a matter of fact, the answers will be posted in the live session, and we're going to talk about them. So all you have to do is just basically put them in the discussion. So in other words, you have to honestly either attend the whole session in live or watch the whole session basically recorded, one of the 2 options. You cannot skip that part. Those prompts are graded, and they are part of the participation grade. If you look at the syllabus, a participation grade is 10% of your grade, which means that unless you really are aiming for a B, you really have to do those, okay? So that is something that you have to take care of. So, okay, I came late, I'm tired, I didn't attend the live session, and I don't want to even watch the video, the recorded video. I just want to go straight to the discussion items, and I'm going to copy somebody else and put them in here. You are not going to see what other people have posted either, unless you post yourself. Okay? So once you post, then you see what the other people have posted or replied. So there is no way out of this. You really have to do this. Can I edit my post after I do it? Just put some nonsense stuff in there and then later on go and edit and put the right stuff in there? Well, you cannot edit your post. So once you post it, that's it. It's written. So you really have to honestly do the things you're supposed to be doing. The reason why I'm doing this is engagement in the classroom online is critical. If we are in the classroom sitting together and the attendance is taken when we are sitting together, I don't worry about this part. What worries me about the online classes is the following. I'm taking an online class and I'm busy with other things. So I'm going to leave this assignment for when it's due. And then by the time it's due, I find that there is another assignment. So I'm going to delay both of them. And then materials start to pile up. And I will be frustrated. Most of the time, people drop from the class because of frustration, or they basically don't do well in it big time. So in order to keep up with the material and not to really fall behind, we have these checkpoints. Every week, we're going to be meeting in here Monday live. If you cannot attend the live, again, you have the option to watch the recorded videos. So that we have those check marks. So basically, we are on schedule. We never miss an assignment. We know exactly what's coming. We know exactly what's done. That way, you're benefiting from the class to the maximum. Again, participation is graded all the way throughout. And unless you want to get a B at best, then you can skip that part. Does everybody understand this point?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody else. Okay. So again, let me share with you how the class is structured online. This is an online class, so that we are going to look at in here. So I'm going to change my view, first of all, to student view before I share with you. Okay, I'm looking at the assignment now as a student. So in here, I'm going to go and share the screen. Okay, usually when I'm sharing a screen, I cannot tell until after probably 5 minutes I was talking, and then they tell me that we don't see what you're seeing. Do you guys see Astronomy 100-08 in here? I need at least one to confirm.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is basically when you guys log in into the classroom, this is how it looks like. You're going to see these things in here, okay? And this is really where you want to spend most of your time. This is really, I would say 95%, if not more, of your time need to be in each module. As a student, I can only see, and right now I'm logged in as a student view, this is how it looks like to you. One of them is highlighted, the others are not. They're grayed, because it expects me to do this first before I can do the rest of them. One of them have check marks that shows that they need to be completed. This one, I can basically just view it and skip and move on. I should be able to get to this one with no problem, okay? Even if I don't do anything in here. But some of them are required, and we're going to see how we're going to complete these tasks. Here, on the side in here, it shows me the to-do things. Some of these are the announcements that you guys received so far, okay? Some of them, you can see that it's announcements from this side. Some of them are other types of assignments, like these 2 discussion points in here. One of them is worth 5 points, and the other one is worth 20 points. So I'd really want to earn these 2 points. This one, it says August 26th. That's when it's due at 11 p.m. This one is misleading. It's telling you it's August 28th at 11 p.m. But if I look at it up close, you will see what I'm talking about. It has two dates in it, actually. There is one part that is due on one side, and there is another one. The final version of it is due on this date. So Canvas, unfortunately, does not make that distinction, okay, between the two built-in dates in it. But don't rely on this as much as this one. As I was saying, this is where you really need to spend most of your time. Because if it shows me that you're relying on the to-do, the reminders from Canvas, that is really telling me that you're putting things, because this is just a crunch time. This is really the things that, hey, this is already, you know, like a red flag in here. So this is really where you want to if you want to enjoy this class and follow it correctly, this is where you want to spend your time, okay? If you want to reach me, this is where you want to go, the inbox. If I click on it right now, because this is a demo student, it's not a real student, I don't have access to it. So you're currently logged in into student view, but there is no such a thing as a student with these credentials. So if I click on it, it's going to give me access denied. But for you guys, you click on this one, and that is where you send me messages or send somebody else messages. This is really the best way to reach me on a regular basis, because I get it notified on my phone, I get it via email. So most of the time, that's what we're going to get it. I strive to respond to you within 24 hours or even less. At most, you're going to get a reply from me within 48 hours, excluding weekends, of course, okay? So Saturday and Sunday, usually I'm busy with other things, but even on those days, if I'm not too busy, I can respond to you right away, okay? So please do reach out to me in here, and I would want you to encourage you to do that. And we're going to talk about these things, okay? One of the things that in the beginning of the course is very important is the syllabus. And even during the rest of the course is very important because it keeps you on track to see where we stand on things, is the syllabus. So that's where we're probably going to start right now. So I'm going to click on the syllabus in here. That takes me to the important stuff in here in the syllabus. This is, again, my email address. I'm still kind of new a little bit, so I don't have an office number yet, but once it's there, I'm going to post it for you and put it in there. Please do not think that you have to wait for when this information is available. You can reach me right now. Forget about this technical things, okay? That is nonsense. Okay, and we can meet still virtually, and these are the times for my office hours. Please tell me if when you want to meet, and I will be more than happy to meet with you. And you will need to meet with me. There will be projects in this class, okay? And we don't want the projects to be half done. I don't want you to really be looking at an assignment and being frustrated with it, spending more than 10 minutes, more than 5 minutes researching on it, and not knowing how to do it, because that's not good. Ask a question. Let's meet, okay? And if that 1 hour is not enough, we can meet some other time. We can meet actually anytime, as long as we plan it accordingly, okay? Because sometimes I'm teaching, sometimes I'm with other students or other classes, but other than that, we can go through this one. I don't want you to be frustrated. I want you to, again, enjoy doing the things that you're supposed to be doing and learning from them. That is really the whole purpose of this one in here. So again, these are my office hours, at least the official ones, but any other hours are good enough for this class. Again, we are supposed to be meeting Mondays. We have already scheduled them on Canvas, okay? Wednesdays also, I'm available on the same time for the class time, okay? If you choose to meet, please let me know and we'll schedule it in there. So I'm here, I'm not anywhere. But again, because it's an online class and because we don't want it to have that feel of basically being oh, now I have to miss my work and it becomes an issue. No. So Mondays is where we're going to sit and talk about everything that is going to happen for that week, the things that happen the week after. After all, we have exams to prepare, we have projects to prepare, and we need to answer those questions live, because sometimes the instructions may be too verbose and we be lost in the details, and I don't know which one comes first and which one comes second, or maybe they are not adequate enough, they don't describe enough. So we need to have those live sessions, or at least the sessions where we can answer those questions and go through them and pinpoint exactly what is important and what needs to be done. And if there is an example, we go through the example and discuss it. And if the example is not clear enough, we can discuss it more, come up with another counterexample. You cannot really replace that interaction. That is actually a very important session. That's why I think those are valuable pieces of the puzzle that we really have to have them. And I would want to at least meet once a week so that we can do that. And again, they're graded assignments. If you cannot meet, fall back into the first thing, namely watch the recording and take care of business, okay? So again, these are the times of the class. These are typical things in here, what we need to do for this class and things like that. I'm going to come back to this point in which is very important point, Stellarium. This is software that I really want you guys to get installed on your computer, or at least get the web version so that you can access it online and things like that, okay? We're going to talk about this one because at least one of the projects is coming from this one. So I want you guys to be familiar with it. Okay, so these are some of the stuff. Again, this is the participation. This stuff is 10%. And the other things are marked in here. Again, please go through I'm going to try to stick to this plan as much as possible. And because of unforeseen things, we may deviate a little bit from it, and we may make adjustments as we go along. Again, the bottom in here shows the assignments that are due. So let me go back into where I'm supposed to be on a regular basis, which is home. I click on home, I come in here. And again, I have to really complete these assignments in order before they became available for me, otherwise I can't. If I come in here, and I want to skip through this, I don't want to read it, okay? I'm going to next. It says the following requirement needs to be completed before this page can be unlocked or will be unlocked. So I really have to do this. I cannot skip through it, so I have to go back into it, okay? So that's really the thing that, please read through this. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Here is my email address again. And if you have any questions about the students, the standard of student conduct, which is really college policy, which we will adhere to, is in here, the link for it. And I will be more than happy to answer any questions that are related to that matter too, okay? Or at least my interpretation of those things, okay? So this is, again, once I do that and I agree with it, the main thing I can tell you is the following. This is an online class. Most of the communication is going to be written, typed, okay? That's how most of the time you're going to communicate with me or other peers, classmates, and everybody else. You really have to be mindful of how you talk to people, because sometimes when you're talking to people live, it's more because you have a face to talk to and you know the person and you have that connection to the person. So there is more kind of a carefulness when we're dealing with people. But when we're dealing online, we sometimes are in this kind of like a tunnel, and we forget that there are real people on the other side of the communication. And we sometimes write things that we don't mean really if we see a person in live. So if something doesn't sound right to you when you first typed it, read it. And if you still have doubts about it, read it out loud to yourself and see how it sounds. At that point, if it does not sound right or there is something iffy about it that you suspect, that is the time when you decide you have to reword what you're typing about, what you're talking about. Because you may have a very good point in that discussion or that item, but you may change the wording that you have in there. It may be coming too strong, and people usually are basically responding to you. So you really have to be, and I always remind of myself of this thing because I forget too. And I always try to adhere to that. That's a very important thing that you have to train yourself in doing. So once you do all of this and read through this, I'm going to mark it as done. That is the only way for me to proceed. Okay. Now I go to the next thing. Now it opened up with no problem. This, remember, had no checkpoint on it. So I'm going to skip through it. I'm going to go. It opened the next one. Again, if you look at home, it shows that I have done this one. This one is not supposed, I mean, you can skip through it, at least for right now, because there is nothing attached to it. For you guys, you don't skip through it because you're live. For the ones who are watching it recorded, they may skip through this one to see what's going on next for the next assignment. So let's look at this one in here because you're going live and it's a good idea to do it. it says the recording for this live session will be posted below. So there will be a recording, and which means that you guys are not interested for it because you're live. For the people who are not, they will have to look at the recording in here, okay? Please watch the recording and answer the prompts that was raised in it. If you have attempted the live session, you may skip watching the recording and answer the prompts. So for you guys, you can go in here directly to replies and start typing, okay? This is a graded assignment. Again, this is supposed to be 5 points. It says in here 5 possible points. You cannot see your classmates' replies unless you first do yourself. Basically, you first post, okay? You cannot edit your replies. That's the rules for this one in here. Once you know what the prompt, today's prompt is, just come in here and type it, and you're done with this. So now you can go to the next, which is the big deal for this. That's actually the reason why I want to have this live session. This is one of the 2 main reasons, 3 reasons actually, in addition to the syllabus and understanding how this is structured and so on and so forth. And that is this assignment that has 2 dates in it, August 26th at 11 p.m. and August 28th. This is not a Tuesday, I'm sorry. This is a Saturday. Why did I say it's a Tuesday? I cannot edit it, but I'm going to edit it. This Saturday, by the way, August 28th is a Saturday. Okay, please make note of that. And I'm going to fix this one in here. So there's a lot of things to read in here. I don't have time to read these things. I want to get in 20 points because this is 20 possible points. So what should I do? There is a shortcut for that to get my points. Go to the rubric, okay? In order to get 10 points in this, all I have to do is to get the 10 points, all 4 items are included, and it must be done by this date. What are they talking about? I need to find out what those 4 items are. So there is no avoiding reading this thing in here. Please try to come to the rubrics most of the time first, because then you know what is important and what is not important from that assignment. That's a guide for you. As a matter of fact, you can use that to grade yourself. You don't even need me to grade your assignments. You can look at the rubric and you can yourself put a 10 or put a 7 or put nothing based on this first part. The same thing. The second part in here, all criteria I met, I need to know what this, it has to be done by the 28th and the 2 replies. And here there is a typo. 2 reply posts, that's correct. There is no typo. And again, you can get the 7 points if some of the criteria I met, or get no points. So I can give you this assignment to grade it yourself. I really don't need to grade it myself. If you're honest enough, you can give yourself the exact grade you're supposed to get from this assignment. And I'm sure you are. Okay. So again, this is the overview. Please do not forget about the ground rules, because that's how we're going to communicate about this thing in here, ground communication rules. The first assignment, these are the 4 required things for it. That is due by the 26th at 11 p.m. So the first one is tell us a little bit about yourself, how you want to be called, he or she or something else, okay, they, what's your preferred name? I already told you I'd like to be called DJ because of the fact that people have difficulty saying my name, okay? That's fine, okay? This is when you do that. And what interests you in this class? What really brings you in here? What kind of, what are you majoring at? What's your major? To share whatever details. It doesn't have to be a long, verbose thing. I mean, it could be a very short paragraph is good enough for this, okay? And include a picture of yourself. Please include a nice size picture so that we can see you. If I run into you in the street, at least I know, hey, this is one of my students. If your classmates run into you in the street, at least I know, hey, we took astronomy together, and you know, oh yeah, how is it going with the major? Oh, I changed majors, or the other one I did. I like your major. So at least to get us this thing in here. Again, this is to attach a face to the person you're talking to, because you guys see me, I don't see you. And sometimes we lose sight of the fact that we have real people behind those names. So it's very important that you do that and you complete this one, okay? The second one in here is share a link of a video. Again, the prompt is in here for the discussion. So basically, you're supposed to go online, video or whatever story that you find that people argue that the Earth is flat and not round. Obviously, this is not correct. We know the Earth is not flat. As a matter of fact, the Earth is round. Otherwise, why are we sitting in here? We have a problem, okay? So you're supposed to go and find something in there and identify a couple of points that the person basically states in there. The reason why the Earth is flat is because so-and-so told me so, or because of such and such argument, because I have never seen the Earth around, okay? I walked around the Earth. So whatever argument they post in there, post them. This is what they think. And obviously, the last item in here, try to basically discredit those things, if to the best of your abilities. Some people, they can be so convincing that they may confuse you, okay? Because they use fallacies and false arguments, basically, and they could use all kinds of nonsense stuff, and they may confuse you. To the best of your abilities, try to defend that nonsense stuff that they are raising in there. That is to get 10 points in here. Do these things in here. Not this Thursday, next Thursday. You have about 10 days for this to be completed, okay? Then reply to other peers. Here is where the problem might happen, okay? You'll be the first one to post. There is nobody to reply to. So you'll have to come back again to reply to 2 other different peers of your classmates. You're the first one to post. The next person can reply to you. And the third person can reply to you. And the fourth person can reply to you. And usually the first person to post will have a bunch of replies versus the last person to post who has probably no replies. So what I'm urging you guys to do is please scan to see who has the least replies and try to reply to those people. Make it basically as equitable as possible so that we have as much participation as we should have. Make sense? Very good. So this is in terms of this assignment. Obviously, since I did not post anything, this is where you post, by the way. You put a reply in here. That's where you're going to upload your picture. That's where you're going to upload stuff. And that's where you come back and reply to your peers also, okay? And then you go next. Again, it's telling me, hey, you need to do that thing. If not, you cannot go next. Okay, let me go back and home in here. This is more or less a structure you're going to be seeing every single week, okay? All the assignments, all the homework, all the quizzes, all the exams, everything is going to be here, okay? So that's why I'm saying probably more than 95%, this is where you want your time. Not in here. This is actually a bad business too. If you do that, that means you really are putting things on the, it's a good idea to look at this because sometimes there is something that you're missing and you have no idea why, because you probably missed something in here that should be going in there. This is really something that you have to work on. So this is in a nutshell how these things are structured. Good. Sounds good?
Yes.
Very good. So this is important stuff. So let me go back into the syllabus and share with you the software that I thought we really need to talk about today. Again, right now it's 10:13. I'm going to do this for this time only because this is the first week. Other than the first week, we're not going to be doing this. I'm going to really basically, like I said, have these discussion items. So today's discussion item, again, they are not challenging questions like I said before. They are questions that we're going to answer in here. And if you guys live, you can post them right away, okay? It's not like you're going to go and research something. Sometimes you may go and take a picture of something and come back and post it or do something along this lines. And sometimes you're going to build probably an activity related, for example, to the orbits of the planets and things like that. But again, those are things that should be easy to do and I can walk you through it, okay? Today's assignment, today's prompt for the discussion, remember, let me go back into the, share the screen. I'm still in student view, so I don't have to worry about that. Going home again. Here is what I'm talking about. Live session discussion week 1, okay? So if you click on it, today, you're just going to tell me what we're supposed to be doing with this assignment. Okay, either watch the live session and answer the prompt right away, like you guys are right now, or watch the recording and find the prompt or prompts and answer them or answer it. Okay, so let me go back into the, I'm going to do this only probably this time only also, so that you guys know what we're supposed to type in there and reply. So either watch recording and answer from, since you had more, potentially more than one, we can say prompts, okay? Or do so when live in discussion sessions. So this is basically what I'm saying in here. This is basically my version of it. Of course, you can put it in your own words if you like to choose so. If you're not clear on it, this is what you're supposed to be doing in this here. This is the assignment for today. This is the prompt for today, so that we have the mechanics. We know what we're supposed to be doing. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come in here and post it in here. And when I'm done, I'm going to post the reply. Obviously, I cannot see other people's replies right now because I'm logged in as a student unless I myself post, okay? Replies are only visible to those who have posted at least one reply. Okay, so that is what we're supposed to be doing today to get the full 5 points possible in here. There could be more than a question. That's why usually it's 5 points, but there could be 2 or 3, 4 or more. So that's why it's distributed that way. Obviously today and today only is going to be 1, and that's the only one. Good. We're clear on this part?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so let me go back into the syllabus and go to this important software. Do you guys see big thing called Stellarium with a penguin in here and another penguin and another penguin and an apple and a couple of windows and things like that?
Yes.
Very good. So this is when you click on it, this is where that software is. Again, as I was saying, this software is an important software we'll need for this class, okay? Either you can install it on your computer if it's a Windows, or if it's an Apple, or if it's a Linux machine, or you can actually choose not to install it at all. You can go online. This is the Stellarium web version of it, okay? Honestly, I've never used the web version. I usually use the, actually I have it also on my phone too. So you can choose to have it on your phone, okay? Except the phone is not a free one. This is a free one 100% on your computer. The only thing I can tell you is you have to be mindful into what kind of architecture you have in your computer. Most of the time, try to download the 64-bit if you're a Windows. And if it works, great. If not, then you probably have to download the 32-bit because you have a machine that is 32-bit architecture, okay? Most of modern computers are 64-bit now. And Apple, you don't have a choice. It's only 64-bit. So if you have outdated machine, I don't think that's going to work with this thing. It's not going to have a problems. With Linux machine, you have different kind of packages that you can install depending on basically the machine, the one that you have in here. Okay, you can even compile your own version of it. So this is a free software that you can download and work with it. In here, it has the user guide. I recommend that you guys look at this and see how it looks and be familiar with it. You're going to enjoy this software. Okay, you're going to really like it very much because we have a planetarium on campus. And I hope at some point to organize some, because we have a large classroom, we're probably going to split our classroom in half at least so that we can meet safely inside the planetarium and enjoy the planetarium. Short of doing that, and actually more than doing that, is this software. This software actually called Stellarium has actually a little bit more features in it that I like than the planetarium. One of the things I like about this software is I can take it with me wherever I want to, and basically be able to study the night where I am at, and basically enjoy what we're doing in there. So let me stop sharing that screen and share with you this actual software. I have it installed on my machine right now. So share. As I was saying, you will have two projects in this classroom. One of them is going to be based on this software. So this is, I launched, this is how it looks like. Does everybody look at what looks like it's kind of a terrain outside? And
Yes.
Yeah.
okay, so actually this picture is not exactly where I live at. Actually, right now I'm in the Redlands. I don't know if you guys know the area or not, but according to the software, it picked up Loma Linda, which is actually where I live next to the border between the two. So this software thinks I am in Loma Linda, California. Okay, so we can change that. Actually, I can go in here and change the location and make it so that I am actually in El Centro, where the campus is. It found it. Okay, here is in Central. So okay, so does it pick up El Centro? Yes, it did. If you look at the El Centro is below sea level, -14 meters. I didn't know that, man. That's that's why it's not so cold in the. I went the other day and it's hot. Super hot. Anyway, so this is El Centro. So I can change the location on my software. Obviously, this is not how El Centro looks like, probably where the campus is. I went there and it looks different than this one. This is a stock picture. This is not how the campus look like. One of the things I can do about this one is freeze time. So let me freeze the time, because right now, if you can clearly see from this clock, it's ticking the seconds. Every second passes by. It's 10, 22, 17 seconds. It's actually following. Yeah, it's following my clock, I think, in here. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop the time and freeze it. Right now, it's stuck at 10, 22, 27. Part of the assignment is you're going to be changing times. You're going to be monitoring the sun on different dates, actually, not different days. Monitoring Arcturus, one of the stars that we're going to be looking at. Monitoring different objects. So you need to freeze time and go to the appropriate time. I'd like to see what's going to happen tonight in El Centro around 8 p.m. This uses the military time. It starts with the year, and then the month, and the day, then the hour, then the minute, then the second. So I'm going to go to 8 p.m. 8 p.m. according to the military time is 20. So this is 20. I want to have it exactly at 8 p.m. Okay, because I'm planning a trip there, for example, and I want to see how the sky looks like in the south. Here is the moon, where it's going to be. If I look south, Antares is going to be here. Saturn is going to be barely rising with Jupiter, because things rise from the east and they set in the west. So I have Jupiter in here and Saturn in here. Those are the two stars. As a matter of fact, Jupiter barely is actually above the horizon. Okay. So these are some of the things that I can do with this software. I can click on Jupiter because I have the time frozen. I can zoom on it after I click on it and center it. So I can zoom on it to see how it looks like. Obviously, it doesn't look too good because the sun is not fully set. So let me go back and let's put the thing at 10 p.m. Oops, what happened in here? 10 a.m. You see here what I was talking about? Military time. 10 p.m. is actually not 10. It's actually, what is it, 22? That is actually more appropriate. So this is military time. So this is 10 p.m. You have to really be careful. When I put 10 in there, I thought it took it immediately at 10 a.m. And the first thing is it put Jupiter below the Earth, on the other side of the Earth, because we don't see it at nighttime and this time of the year. Okay? I mean, we see it at nighttime because at this time of the year. During daytime, it's actually on the other side. The people on the other side of the planet will see it. Okay? Because the Earth is actually round, not flat. So, again, I have a darker night, so I'm going to double click on it. Come on. Let me zoom out, zoom in first, and double click on it, and zoom further in. If I zoom in, as if I have a telescope, if we use a telescope, this is how we're going to see this planet tonight, with a good sized telescope, with what looks 2 moons, but actually they're four because at 10 p.m., that's how they are. They're very close from one another. But if I zoom further, they become clearer. This is a star, by the way. This is not a moon, okay? That's a star, you can tell from here. So again, this is Jupiter, and these are its 4 moons. This is what Mr. Galileo looked at when he first looked at the sky, taking a toy, which was a telescope, and looked at Jupiter. And we're going to have this discussion in the next few weeks. What happened in there? Because that was a major thing. That's one of the reasons why he was incarcerated, actually, and put in house arrest, because of the fact that he claimed that the Earth is not the center of revolution of everything, but rather it's something else, like the sun. And here is an example. He looked at it. Look, Jupiter is where things revolve around it. So not true that the Earth, everything revolves around it. There are 4 moons in here, now called the Galilean system, because he's the one who discovered them. The first night he saw Europa, and he saw Ganymede, and he saw Callisto. And the next night is when he saw Io. It looks like, from this picture, from tonight, it looks like Io actually is further from Jupiter than Europa, and that's because of the perspective, that's all. Actually, Io is the closest of the moons to, at least from the big moons, to Jupiter than the other moons, than Europa itself. So Io is very close, and the reason why you didn't see it the first night is because it was behind Jupiter. The next night it came out. It takes about 42 hours to go once around Jupiter. So if you look at it tonight and you don't see it, it's because it's hidden behind Jupiter. Wait another hour, another night, and you will see it coming out from the other side. That's all. Okay. So that's exactly what happened to Mr. Galileo the first time when these moons were discovered. Okay. So this is how, let me go back into Jupiter and zoom out. How the night sky would look like, at least from El Centro at 10 p.m. Let's say, for example, I'm planning a trip sometime in the future, and I would want to take the gears, telescope, binoculars, whatever other equipment, filters, to make sure that the moon does not interfere with my viewing, and to go and look at objects, okay? And I want to plan it correctly. Say, for example, I'm going to, I don't know, Arizona, for example, and I would want to take this with me. So the first thing I need to do is change the location, as I did earlier, and also change the time. I want to have this trip, let's say, for example, in sometime in September. July is past already. And let's say, for example, September 2nd or 1st, or doesn't matter. And is that where the holiday is? And let's say, for example, I want to be at midnight there, which is going to be 00. Okay, so that's how the night sky would look like if I'm looking at the east, southeast. If I'm looking at northeast, this is where the north is. And this is where the northern star is. As a matter of fact, this northern star, doesn't matter what time of the year you're going to look at it, is going not to change location. I can look at different objects in the night sky and see where they are, and based on their locations, I can basically decide if it's worth it to go. Let's say, for example, I want to study a specific star. I want to really go and look at Betelgeuse. When is it going to be time for me to go and look at Betelgeuse? Let's say, for example, we're still in this date. Let's go and look for Betelgeuse on September 1st of this year. So I'm going to go in here and find Betelgeuse. So I'm going to put BET. Here was Betelgeuse is. Well, it's below the horizon. I cannot see it on that day. I have to change my plans, don't I? When it's visible in the night sky. Okay? So that's why the software is actually very good, as I was saying in there. Not only that, you can take it on your phone. You have to pay a little extra for it. and much better, actually, in my opinion, than even the planetarium, because it will allow you to simulate conditions and times and do things exactly like what the planetarium does. Let's go back into Polaris. And let's turn on a feature in here, which is very important in the software, and that is the constellations. Here is Polaris, and here is Ursa Minor, which is part of which is this constellation where this star is. Again, this is where everything seems to revolve around it. So I'm going to come in here and increase time. You don't see it now because every second is ticking 1 second. We're still on September 1st, by the way, that night. So what we're going to do in here, we're going to make the time go faster. So we're double the speed now. If you look in the bottom in here, it's showing, actually in here, it's showing the time going super fast. And you can still see the night sky that move that much. As a matter of fact, if you go out and look at especially the stars, you really have to spend a lot of time before you realize, oops, one of them changed. This one will not change. This one seems to be in the dome by itself, never changing. So let's double the speed further. Now it's moving fast, and you can start to see that this thing starts. Pay attention to Cassiopeia to see how its shape is. This is the constellation. It's made up of these 5 stars, and it looks like the number 3 moving toward the letter M. This is one way. It almost never leaves also the sky. This constellation is always there. So let me move this one further speed. Now you can clearly see the night sky, because we simulated as if the Earth is spinning super fast. And I was saying in here, as I was saying in here, this star does not really change that much, says in the night sky. This is what you can do also with the planetarium, which is a very powerful step. You can simulate things too. Now the sun is rising. Of course, it rises from the east. That's where it's coming out. The west is on this side. So it's going to set in the west. Of course, where during daytime, we don't see much of the constellation. Look at Cassiopeia. It's still in the night sky. I mean, the day sky. The reason why we can, unless there is a solar eclipse, which we can see this constellations and the stars and all of that. Now it's going to be the letter W, Cassiopeia is. It's barely going to nick the horizon, touch it, and then it's going to come back again, okay? Other constellations come and go, depending on the rotation of the Earth, okay? So that's basically, the night is coming out, the sun is already setting to the west, and now we're actually on this, we're still on the 1st of September at the 9 p.m., this is still 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Very soon we should move to the next day, to September 2nd. We are September 2nd now, the next day. So we can stop the test. So again, these are some of the stuff is you're going to be doing. You're going to be, one of the things you're going to be doing with the software is change the dates, fix the times, change the dates again, get the information about the location. What's this? Get the information about the location, the ecliptic, what is it? We're not going to focus more on the magnitude or the any of that, but we're going to focus on the right ascension, okay? And the azimuthal positions, all of this thing, apparent and real, and all of this information. So these are some of the things that we can do with this one. Again, this is actually a very good tool for me if I'm planning a trip somewhere and would want to enjoy the night sky, okay? And we're going to be using this one as part of our activities. So this is the software that I would want to look at. And we're going to track this constellation more or less a lot. We're going to see how the constellations look like, at least during the entire fall. Okay, part of the activities you'll be having is actually to monitor the moon. Did we pick up a night when the moon is not visible? I mean, is it the beginning of the moon or the end of the lunar month? Probably we did. I'm zooming out now, and I don't see that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're going to do that, but you're not going to use this for the moon. You're going to actually go outside yourself and monitor the moon and see its phases and look at it and take its pictures and draw it and answer some of the questions related to your observations. So that's another part of the project that they're going to be turning in this class. Okay, so this is basically the introduction that I was hoping to get with you guys going. First of all, to introduce the class to you guys, to understand how to use the Canvas, and also, especially in terms of assignments related to it, which are going to be weekly assignments. And also, you're going to be the project, which is a big deal that is coming next week. It's very important. That helps us to know you and interact with the class. Very important to engage in the classroom. And then the other thing I wanted to introduce is the software, because I wanted to, from the get-go, to have you guys look at it, because we're going to be needing this software in the classroom. Any questions?
No.
Vanessa or Jesus, were you saying something?
I had said no.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Jesus, you have any question?
Yeah, I also said no.
Okay, very good. So guys, again, I'm going to stop the recording now. And because that's the points that I wanted to raise and for the people who are not here too.